So I'm just showing a simple FPV setup. I have it set up on my Mini E-Revo, which I'll show you in a second. Pretty simple. I have the Traxxas phone holder, and then I have eSheen's screen. So it's pretty simple. I mean, you know, we do the wiring right, it looks all pretty. So there's a camera right there, and I mean, it's a very simple install. I do have a camera, I mean, the antenna right there, and I have the transmitter module for the video right there. Pretty simple. So let's put this together and show you a quick run. Alright, so see if I can control while recording at the same time. So as you can see, it might be kind of difficult to try to steer with one hand while holding the GoPro in the other. As you can see, it's pretty fast.